Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to get my LinkedIn profile link. Friends, if you want to copy your LinkedIn profile link, then you need to open LinkedIn app. Now here you need to press on the profile picture. Now press on profile name. Now here you will find three dots. Press on it. Now press on share. Now on the top you will find the option to copy your LinkedIn profile link. Press on copy. Now your LinkedIn profile link is copied, so you can save it. I save it on Notepad. Now this is my LinkedIn profile link, so I have saved it on my mobile. So you can share this profile link anytime with any person. So friends, like this you can very easily copy your LinkedIn profile link. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.